All right, guys, we're in the Boxster here, the 03 teal teal green metallic, super cool car color. Don't see a lot of them, so that's kind of neat. What we're doing here, it's kind of a cold start. It's not the cold start. Of course, we'll do another one at the tailpipes. This is just showing everything's where it should be. We don't have any funny noises, etc., etc. Good to see we have a newer alternator install. Water pump looks like it's also been replaced. But I guess on a 2003, you would expect those things at some point to have been replaced. Alright guys, if you have any questions, by all means just let me know, and thank you.